welcome to the next review. WD Elements AE 4 terabytes. I've used these guys in the past. Years ago, I had a 3 terabyte hard drive from them. Believe it looks exactly the same. Currently, it's on the back of my Xbox because I like installing a bunch of games that I will never play. So here we go. This was, I think, it was like 116 for 4 terabytes. It was the best deal I could find at the time. I don't know if that's a good deal for a hard drive. Let me know. Let me know. I will only really get things on sale, but it could just be like them lying to me, being like, oh my god guys, this is a sale. But they've actually just marked up the price and I'm just getting it for what it would have normally cost. But if that's the case, they got me. They got me good. Anyway. Or is it the other way? Yes. Let's see. Oh, is it the other way? Oh, it's both ways. That is cool. I like that. How do I do this? I just open it like that. Oh, my apologies. Very loud sound. Here we go. WD Elements. And very, very simple. Yeah, you just get the wire. You get a very simple, small looking information sheet. Yeah, with different languages. What language is this? Is this Japanese? I don't know. Or is that Korean? That's Korean, that's Chinese. Whatever the case, I don't care. I'm not reading it. But here we go. Here's the device. Pretty simple. I will be using this to basically just store videos that I make up to 4 terabytes, just in case I want to upload them again. Because the phone that I opened, the M7, and it's only got 250 gigs of storage. This phone as well, I literally only have 20 minutes of recording space. I need to delete a bunch of videos soon. Why is like just the standard length for one of these devices? Shall we do the peel test? Where's the best place to start from? Maybe there, or maybe just here. Maybe here, actually. How about we listen? Fantastic. There we go. My old one didn't have this little bit there, but I also don't think my old one was this thick. I guess the old one was 3T. This is 4 terabytes. Makes sense, I suppose, but yeah. I need to buy a travel case for this if this is going to go in my phone. And yeah, I mean, this is a pretty quick review. I don't really know what else to say. I can't really like show this unless I have it connected to my second phone, of course. Here is the back. That's what it looks like. Made in Thailand. France? Is it France? You know what? I'm good. I shouldn't have bought this. Yeah, so yeah, pretty simple. Let's put it in, shall we? That's what he said. Right now. Anyway, yeah, pretty simple. I will just be opening this up and, well, I've already opened it up. I'll be trying it with the new phone once I have the new phone set up and just, yeah, I can start transferring all of the content onto that phone. Fantastic.